Alright folks, let's jump into another problem. This one's all about this equation where we have 4 to the x is equal to x to the 64, and let's figure it out. In order to get rid of the 64 on the right side of the equation, we're gonna take the power of 1 over 64 on each side of the equation. What we're gonna end up having in the left side is 4 to the x to the power of 1 over 64 is equal to x to the 64 all to the power of 1 over 64. The reason I did that is the laws of exponent. When we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this will be equal to a to the power of m times n. So here we're going to multiply each of these two in here. So from the first one we have 4 to the power of x over 64 is equal to x to the power of 64 over 64, which is going to be x. So now we have our x in the exponent of the left side of the equation, and what we're going to do is that we're going to do the power of 1 over x in here, and that's going to give us 4 to the power of x over 64 all to the power of 1 over x is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. So now we have the same law. We're going to multiply these two so we can get rid of the x. So we have 4 to the power of 1 over 64 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Alright, this is where we need to get a little bit creative with this part of the equation. And when we multiply this by 4 over 4, what we can do is that we can keep the 4 to the 4 in here and have the other one 4 times 64. And we can see if we multiply these two, we're going to get what we have in the previous step. And on the right side, x to the power of 1 over x. And here we know 4 to the 4 is 256. It's basically 2 to the 8. And if we look at the power, we have 4 times 64, which is also 256. And we have x to the power of 1 over x. And here, by just comparing the base and the exponent, we can figure out that our x in here is 256, which will be the final answer for this question. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this one. Hope you guys find it helpful. Let me know if you have any other solutions to solve this. Feel free to drop it in the comment sections. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.